Solve the question above. Question says a timber beam of rectangular section is support a load of 20 kN uniform distributed over a span 3.6 meter when the beam is simply supported. If the depth of the section is to be twice the depth and the stress in the timber is not to exceed 7 Newton per mm, so we want to find the dimension. All right, so in this case we are going to consider the beam to carry a uniform distributed load, and in the second case we are going to consider the beam to carry a point load. All right, so let's start with the first case. We are considering when it is carrying a UDL. So first here we are going to calculate the section modulus, which is what? Which is BD squared divided by 6. And then we know that our D here is nothing but what? 2B is equals to 2B. So it's going to be B into 2B all squared divided by 6. All right. So if we continue with this, we are going to have 2 to the power 2 is 4. So 4B cubed divided by 6. So 2 here 2, 2 here 3. So finally, the section modulus will be equals to 2b to the power of 3 divided by 3. All right, so here is what we are going to have for our section modulus. All right, so again, we are going to recall from the formula of Fleischer equation that we know that our maximum bending moment is equals to maximum stress multiplied by what? Sectional modulus. All right, so let's keep this here. We are going to be needing this. All right, so now when the beam is carrying a uniform distributed load and it is simply supported, so we know the formula for our maximum bending moment there. The formula for our maximum bending moment is equals to ml squared divided by what? Divided by 8. All right, so from here we know what our W rather. All right, so we know what our W is. Our W is 20 kilonewton, which is 20,000. So here we are going to have 20,000 multiplied by the length, which is 3.6 squared divided by 8. All right, so if you solve this carefully, you press this carefully in your calculator, you are going to have this to be nothing but what? 9,000. So this is going to be 9,000 Newton mm square, right? Okay, sorry, meter. We are going to have 9,000 Newton mm. So we can multiply this by 1,000. Then our unit is going to be Newton mm. All right. So now, if we want to consider this formula now, we have our maximum bending moment, which is 9,000. So it's going to be 9,000 multiplied by 10 to the power of 3, and which is going to be equals to our stress. Our stress is 7 Newton per mm square. So this is going to be 7 multiplied by our section modulus, which is going to be 2b cubed divided by 3. So if we make our b here the subject, b will be equals to 3 times 9,000 times 10 to the power of 3, then divided by what? Divided by 7 times 2 is 14. So this is our b cubed. So this will be equals to, so if you press all of this stuff and you divide by 14, you are going to have this to be equals to 1.92857 times 10 to the power of 6. All right, so if you take the cube root of both sides, our b will be equals to the cube root of 1.92857 times 10 to the power of 6. So our final answer for our b is going to be equals to 124 point what? 0.47 mm. So which you can approximate to be 124.5 mm. Alright, so therefore means we can calculate what our D is. Our D is equals to 2B. So this is going to be 2 into 124.5. Alright, 124.5. So D now will be equals to 2 times 124.5, that is 249. So this is going to be 249 mm. Alright, so now we are going to consider a case whereby our beam is carrying a point load. When the beam is carrying a point load, we know the formula for the maximum bending moment will be different, right? So we are just going to need to calculate our maximum bending moment there. And the formula for our maximum bending moment is nothing but WL divided by 4. Alright, so this will be equals to, our W remains the same, 20,000. Our length remains the same, 3.4 divided by 4. So if you do that carefully, you are going to have your answer to be what? 18, is it 1,800? Okay, it is 18,000. 18,000 Newton meter, right? So of course you can take it to mm, so you multiply by 1,000. So 18,000 multiplied by 1,000 Newton millimeter. All right, so and the next thing we are going to do is to apply this formula that we have here. So here we are going to have 18,000 multiplied by 10 to the power of 3, which is equals to our maximum stress. Our stress remains at 7, multiplied by our sectional modulus, which is still 2b cubed divided by 3. All right, so if we make b the subject there, b cubed will be equals to 3 multiplied by 18,000 multiplied by 10 to the power of 3 divided by 14. So if you press this carefully in your calculator and you divide by 14, you are going to have this to be 3.8, sorry for, I've already written it here, 3.85714 times 10 to the power of 6. All right, so if we take the cube root of both sides, our b now will be equals to the cube root of 3.85714 times 10 to the power of 6. And if you press this carefully, our value of b is going to be 156.82. 156.82 mm. All right, so that is what we are going to have. All right, so here we can therefore find our depth. So our depth is equals to 2b, which is going to be 2 into 156.82. So if you multiply this by 2, you are going to have 313.64. So here is how to go about this the solution to this question. It's very simple. All right, so stay tuned for more question on this topic. Thank you.